Buenos dias, bonjour, borda, and good morning. I've lost the plot. So the sour has been fermenting for about a week, maybe a bit longer. I'm not really sure. I've lost track completely. But yeah, today we are going to add the lovely peach. So, yeah. Also, I have a tripod now. It's really good. This is how I keep it warm. I'm going to take another gravity reading because, I think when I tested the gravity last, I was a little bit drunk and thought it would be a good idea. And maybe I won't put that footage in. Maybe I will. We don't know. Hi guys. Sorry, I'm a bit drunk. Whoa, that is super sour. So, if you remember, start gravity was 1066, even though it was meant to be 10. It was 1064 and it was meant to be 1044 or something. I can't remember. I'm not sure. So now it's on 1004. So we're looking at around 8%, I think. So I got the peach in here. I just like chopped it up, well, peeled it, chopped it, de-pitted it, de-stoned it, and then I boiled it, pasteurized it, and then it's been like frozen and thawed out and frozen and thawed out. Just thought I'd break it down a little bit, so then it is better. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, hopefully this is good. I've got my secondary fermentation vessel here. It's all sanitized, obviously. So what I'm going to do, what am I going to do? Should I put it in a muslin bag or should I just put it in? I'm not going to do muslin bag. I think it will get better distribution if it's not in a muslin bag. I mean, I could be completely wrong, but I'm going with feeling. So I'm going to add the peach into my secondary FV and then rack the beer on top. This is like doubly bagged. And we're just siphoning it on top of the fruit. Sweet. So that is full, and we are going to, just going to pop the lid on, and then airlock, and then we're gonna leave that for. We're gonna let that sit on there for, I don't know how long. Just until the gravity kind of stabilizes, I guess. But yeah, I'll come probably test it out a few times before then. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:25 a.m.
Good morning. So the peach has been in the FV for a week, exactly a week today. I tasted it yesterday. Peach is coming through nicely. So the gravity stabilized at 1002. So we're looking around 8.2%, which is pretty solid. But yeah, so we're gonna get on bottling today. I've got it nice and early so I can just get it done. I've already got all my bottles washed. Just need to sanitize them, make the primary sugar, do all that. So yeah, let's do that. So same as before, primary sugar we are going to use is dextrose. So I've calculated it and I want about 2.5 volumes of CO2, so I need 158.4 grams of dextrose corn sugar. Oops. I don't measure the water. Because I can't be arsed. Let it all dissolve and then we'll bring it up to a boil. Yeah. I'm just gonna let that cool down and then we'll add it to my bottling bucket and then siphon the beer over it. I'm gonna dump out this sanitizer from here. It's all nice and sanitized. So we're just gonna add the priming sugar. This looks cool. There's all the peach floating to the top. I'm just gonna siphon it over. Yeah, so we have lost a little bit purely just because of how the peach was in there. I didn't want to risk it and get like bits of peach in there, so I had to. There's a little bit of waste, but what can you do? Alright, let's go. I feel like we're gonna guess about 50 bottles. Just because I was hoping for more around 60, but just because of the wastage from it, because like the end of what was in the FE, it had quite a like little peach bits in it, so I didn't want to get that in there. So yeah, I'd rather have less that are good rather than like more that are got bits, because don't want bits, do we? Ocean man, take me by the hand, just want to a land that you understand. Ocean man, you're too blind and lost now within sand. Sweet, so that is all the bottles done. We've got 56. Really pleased with that actually. I thought we were gonna get less. And I've managed to do all my bottling before both my flatmates have got up, so it's a good day. Yeah, so I'll just leave those for a couple of weeks to condition, and then I'll probably do, because I've just realised I haven't done a proper tasting video for my stout, so I might wait and do my wheat beer actually. Sweet, I've just come up with this. Yeah, so what I might do is end this video here, and then I'll bring out another video of tasting all of my beers so far, comparing, talking about them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for some more vids. Please follow me on Instagram. It's just Lunam Ignis Brew. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Stay safe. Lots of love. Bye.